Alright, I just wanted to take another quick video this morning of the wiring and what it looks like at this point. I realized last night that the focus was horrible, probably due to the lighting conditions and lack of definable features in here. So hopefully this will stay focused, and you can see the wiring scheme that I'm using here. But basically, we're just coming up from that door, up and over to there, and then two branches off. I'm going to leave enough wire in the middle there in case I do need to do a third circuit or a third run in the middle. I doubt it, but I'm going to start zip tying everything up, and then I will start wiring up the boxes. Alright, light bulb 1 is in. These two boxes here, very simple because they're the end runs, so all I have to do is just hook them right up, ground it to the box, and be done. So these light bulbs are $1 a piece when you buy them through Duke Energy or Duke Power's website. So 700 or 900 lumens or something. Either way, I'm pretty sure 6 are going to take care of me here. But there's one, and I might or might not set up the camera while I do the second one. Downside for today, yesterday it was raining, today it is sunny, and when I try and touch that piece of metal up there so I don't fall on my ass, that piece of metal is wicked freaking hot. So yay, but getting it done. Alright, just gonna go hang the second one here. It is definitely a lot hotter up there today than it was yesterday. But that's real time how long it takes one to go up there. And I'll probably do the rest off camera because it's kind of boring to watch. Alright, there is now light in the garage. The camera still doesn't want to focus in here. And we got 6 lights. I got the door closed just to show you how much illumination I'm getting here. It is just hooked up for a test circuit right now. That is not permanent. That's just so I can make sure everything's working. I did have one electrical short that I had to trace. Basically one of my boxes, I pinched the wire when I put the porcelain head on. And that took me a couple hours to figure out where I screwed up, but everything is working now. And I know I didn't film much today because I was doing shit, and that's the way it usually works out. But just a status update, the garage has electricity, or sorry, the garage has light. Electricity is through a drop cord. And I guess I'll do the outlets next weekend or at night if I get bored. Later.